Hello guys, today I have an unboxing from speedcube.com.au. So, this should be the Gans 356. I got it in a Twitter giveaway that they had. I just wanted to get this out there pretty quickly. This is what it is. Pretty nice packaging. I'm excited for this. Here it is. And they included some lube, it looks like. Oh, Gans lube. That's weird. That's cool. Here it is. Opens just like that. It comes with this tool, stickers, and the pamphlet, and it comes stickered. Now for some first turns. That's actually not what I was expecting. Right now it's pretty slow actually. But super smooth. I can tell it'll get really good. It's kind of like, not clicky, but like kind of almost clicks into place. But I'll get back to you with a review on it later. Goodbye.